Can an LLC contribute to SEP IRA? Yes, an LLC can contribute to a SEP IRA, which is a simplified employee pension plan. The setup depends on how your LLC is taxed. If you are a single-member LLC taxed as a sole proprietorship, you can contribute to a SEP IRA based on your net self-employment income. If your LLC is taxed as a partnership, each member can contribute based on their share of earnings. If your LLC is taxed as a corporation, contributions are made through the business on behalf of employees, including owners who receive salaries. A SEP IRA is popular for LLC owners because it has higher contribution limits than traditional or Roth IRAs. For 2024, contributions can be up to 25% of compensation or $69,000, whichever is less. The LLC makes the contributions, and they are tax deductible for the business. If you have employees, the IRS requires that you contribute the same percentage of compensation for all eligible employees, not just yourself. Zen Business can help you set up your LLC and ensure you have the right structure in place to take advantage of retirement plans like a SEP IRA. The link is in the description. And if you want a step-by-step breakdown of LLC basics, you can also download my free guide on how to set up an LLC. That link is in the description too.